Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel IT Pro. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you. Now I'm going to start the second part of chapter smartphones, tablets and apps. This is the second part of the video. So let's start. As apps are important for tablets as well as the smartphone. In previous video we have started the learning of tablets. Now continue from there. That is the history of the tablets. Okay. At the beginning or at earlier stages of the tablet, Apple Newton Message Pad, Apple's first produced tablet, released in 1993, which look like this, which is given in the figure. So here is the tablet computer and its associated operating system began with the development of electrical pen computing. That is the caliber pen which can use in the tablet or tablet PC. At early stages, the tablet were operated with that touch pen or stylus, which called electrical pen computing. Devices that data input and output on the flat information display existed as early as 1888 with the telautograph, which used as a sheet of paper as display and a pen attached to electromechanical accumulator. Telautograph were used as a page for the tablet, and electromechanical accumulator were work in the pen, which can use or run to write and operate of that pages. Throughout the 20th century, devices with these characteristics have been imagined and created, whether as blueprints, prototypes, or commercial products. During 2000, that device were characterized for blueprint work, prototype work, or commercial products for sending and receiving messages. The next thing is that early tablets. Early tablets, after the introducing in the market, you people have also been seen that is Nokia N800, having the caliber feature with the stylus or the pen. See the picture which is given here. Nokia had plans for an internet tablet since before 2000. An early model was test manufactured in 2001, the Nokia M510, which was running on EPOC and featuring an Opera browser, speakers, and a 10-inch 800x600 screen resolution. Nokia were introduced that tablets which have to access the internet, and for accessing it, Opera browser were inbuilt, speaker were also having the 10-inch display, but it was released because of fear that the internet was not ready for it. They have built it, But think that the internet were not ready to access this device. Nokia entered the tablet space in May 2005. Before that he has created but not launched with the Nokia 770 running Memos, a Debian-based Linux distribution custom made for their internet tablet line. They are using the Memos operating system with Debian Linux distribution operating system, which is custom based internet tablet. The user interface and application framework layer named Hilden means the hardware acceleration and applications were named with the Hilden was an early instance of a software platform for generic computing in a tablet device intended for internet consumption, which has been used for earlier internet access in the software platform to user can access this tablet. Now it is required to be learn the mobile operating system, because these operating system where helps the mobile to run smoothly and properly function. So the first one is Symbian operating system. Here is the logo of Symbian operating system. That is founded in 2008. Symbian is a discontinued mobile operating system. Nowadays the Symbian were not used in OS and computing platform designed for a smartphone. That was designed for the smartphone, but nowadays it is completely out of the market. Symbian was originally developed as a proprietary software OS for PDA in 1998. As I would discuss in the first part, PDA, it was installed in for the PDA, ready for that work by the Symbian Limited. Symbian OS is a descendant of Pasan epoch and was released exclusively on ARM processors through an unreleased 86 port existed. Symbian was used by many major mobile phones brands like Samsung, Motorola, Sony Ericsson, and above all by Nokia. That is operated by these companies with the ARM processor and different port for the connectivity. It was also prevalent in Japan by brands including Fujitsu, Sharp, and Mitsubishi. As a pioneer that established the smartphone industry, this operating system was very much popular on that time, and throughout the world that operating system were used. As today the Android were popular, as much popular Symbian was on that time. It was the most popular smartphone OS on worldwide. Average until the end of 2010. Till 2010 it was very much popular. At a time when smartphones were is limited use. When it was overtaken by iOS and Android, it was notably not as popular in North America. In the North America, iOS and Android was not popular on that time. The limited work of the smartphone were done with this Symbian operating system. But later on, the mobile manufacturing companies are thinking towards that to we will use this smartphone for wider use, and due to that they were thinking towards the modified and updated operating system. So the next operating system where comes iOS operating system. These are the logos of iOS. iOS original logo used until 2013 left side, and logo used 2013 to 17, that is the right side. The iOS, formerly iPhone OS operating system for the mobile, created and developed by Apple Incorporation exclusively for its hardware. iOS is only manufactured for the Apple built mobile and computer system for its hardware. It will support for that hardware, not in all hardwares. It is the operating system that powers many of the company's mobile devices, including iPhone, iPod Touch. It also powered the iPad until the introduction of iPod OS in 2019. Before 2019, iOS operating system were used in the iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, but in 2019 they have launched the special operating system for iPad, that is called iPad OS. It is the world's second most widely installed mobile operating system after Android. It is the basis of three other operating systems made by Apple: Apple iPad OS, TV OS, Watch OS. Before of that, they were work only on iOS operating system. It is the second most popular after the Android operating system. Afterwards, they have made their OS for iPad, for TV, for watch, and named as iPad OS for iPad, TV OS for TV, and for watch OS they have made watch OS for Apple Incorporation build mobile. Next one is the Android operating system. Very much popular operating system. Here is the symbol of Android operating system given in the picture. Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software. Linux is the open source, means you can make modification in that for their interface. Designed primarily for touch screen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android is developed by a consortium of developers known as the Open Handset Alliance and commercially sponsored by Google. It is the Google manufactured OS, and they have made developed with Open Handset Alliance for the development to run the smartphone OS. It was unveiled in 2007. In 2007, they have unveiled, released with the first commercial Android device launched in September 2008 with the Android device, Android mobile phone. This one is basically started for smartphone and tablets. This is very much popular. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.